Hey guys, welcome or welcome back if you're new here. My name is Bailey and today we're going to be reorganizing my makeup vanity. The main purpose of this is I just need to declutter and reorganize. I love organizing, so these are my favorite videos to make. So my vanity only has 2 drawers and there's no dividers, and you can't buy any dividers, or I can't seem to find any dividers that will fit the dimensions. So I decided today I am just going to make my own. So we have a lovely pair of scissors. I have some putty that I always use, some tape, and then some old cardboard boxes that I've literally been holding on to just to do this. This is a little overview of my vanity. So I have this little section where I keep setting sprays, and then like my, I guess, most used palettes, and then sponges. And then behind here, I have some like bigger palettes that I've never been able to fit in the drawers. And then over here, I keep my brushes, my little mirror. And then this is another little like face palette section, some more brushes that I don't use as much. Ignore the pillows, but literally this is an office like file divider, but I use it for makeup storage. So this first drawer, I made sure to get it really messy for you guys. This is like eyeliner, eyebrows, mascara. I have my lashes in here, more eyeliner and stuff, and then palettes, and just, it's a mess. So these are the 2 drawers that I have on top of the vanity. So over here, this is like face products. So I have lots of foundation, tinted moisturizer, concealers, highlighters, bronzers, powder, you name it, it's in here. And then on this side, it's blushes, liquid blushes, lip liners, and all of my lip products. But it just needs some dividers so it can be organized better. So first thing I'm gonna do is just start like unloading everything in the drawers, and then just kind of go from there. And then we can start like going through things and then deciding what we want to keep, and then we can kind of see how the dividers need to be made. So that was everything in the drawer, and look how disgusting the drawer is. Like all these little pencil shavings, some hair, ew, gross. So these are all the blushes that I'm keeping, which is basically all of them except for one, but there's some like this one that I'm like basically like out of. Let's see if I can open this with one hand, but this is the only color I have, and it's just so beautiful, and I'm almost done with it, so I'll throw it away soon. Also, the hand looks crazy. I know you saw me like swatching. This is my get rid of pile, which I'm pretty proud of because I can be really stingy with my lip products. So these are all the lip liners that I'm keeping. I'm actually gonna get rid of that one. I was holding that off, but these are the lip liners that I'm keeping. These are all my reds. I feel like you can't get rid of your reds because they're a classic, even though I don't wear them too often. I will say like probably everything that you see on my hand or my arm is cool toned. I kind of opt for that because I feel like it makes your teeth look whiter. Now, these Kylie Lip Kits are like an OG. I got rid of some of them that I had before, but I think Posy K needs to go. Coco K also needs to go. So these are kind of like some warmer colors, and then we kind of go into like these like darker mauve-y colors. I didn't keep like any like purples, and then back there are my lip glosses, colored and clear, and then these are kind of like liquid lipsticks. Now I'm like doubting myself, so I'm like re-swatching this one. The formula's still good. I just know that this one's probably close to empty, but I did notice when I was cleaning everything out that everything is very, very sticky. So I'm gonna go wash this off first, and then clean each individual product, because obviously the drawer was sticky, so all the products got sticky. So I'm gonna clean each one, and then everything will be nice and clean. Got all the colors off finally. I literally had to use a dish soap, so a lot of those colors are very long lasting, which is a good thing, I guess, but you know, not for when you're testing them out. So I grabbed some Clorox wipes. Contact paper is in. You can kind of see up front we have a little bit of air bubbles kind of throughout, but like you can't really tell, and the products are going to cover it up anyways. And now my camera won't focus, but it looks really good in the front, and that's all that matters. I mean, it still looks good in the back, so I'm very proud of myself. Next drawer is all cleaned out. Now we got to go through all of the face products. This is everything I'm keeping, and this is everything I'm throwing away. Very proud of myself because normally I will hoard on to everything, and there's a lot of like empty concealers. I mean, even look at this. Why did I even have this? This empty highlighter. Like, there is nothing in there. Like, I am like a little hoarder when it comes to makeup. So it's been a couple days later. I got a little frustrated whenever I was organizing, and I just decided to take a break, and I'm just now having time to like come back to it. So I don't remember the last thing that you guys saw, but I've been making these little inserts out of cardboard boxes. So I've been cutting up things. I saw a YouTube video where they take like little strips and like hot glue it so you can like slide it like in and out. That's what I was having trouble with, and we're not doing that. This is what we're working with. This is my like face drawer, and I learned to take the drawer out of the actual vanity. This is what the face drawer is looking like. Contact paper in your makeup drawers. Key, ladies and gentlemen. So here we go. You're probably like, Bailey, why do you have that cracked powder? Just let me live my life. I got rid of a lot of makeup, and I'm a hoarder anyways. Also, look at my self-tan hands. Ooh, okay. So, little tour real quick. We have some liquid foundations. These are the little clips I use to put my hair back. Then tinted moisturizers, concealers. I need more concealers, obviously. Some cream bronzer. Then we move into like highlighters and primers. I've not used this in forever. This was so dirty. Oh, ASMR, love that. Back here we just have powders. These are two little testers that I want to try, and I put them in the front so I don't forget about them. And then we have my highlighters and bronzers. So that is the face drawer. Boom. Now to do the lip and cheek drawer. So this is a bit of a hot mess. I really don't know how I want to organize this. This one's kind of hard to organize because I definitely want a lot of sections, but I definitely don't want to cut a lot of things. So I'm gonna go back to measuring. I honestly just need to have sections so things can't like roll around. You gotta work with what you got. I wanna make this as easy as possible. Definitely the hard part is like figuring out like what goes where. Here is the progress on the cheek and lip drawer. I'm gonna have to hot glue these little sections once I have the contact paper on because they just fall over. Here is our little update. I wanted to do another little divider right here, but honestly, I couldn't be bothered making another one. Maybe I'll do it some other time, but I had a piece here, but it like broke off. So we have my blushes on this side powdered, and then we have cream here, and then lip liners, and then clear glosses or like super light gloss, two everyday colors. And then over here we have the majority of the colors that I wear. These are my mini little lipsticks I'm keeping right here. I cut the divider a little too short, but it's okay. It will keep them from rattling around because they are a pain in the ass. And then back here, these are more of like a warmer nude. So I have two lipsticks back here, some glosses, and then over here, these are all my reds. I am so proud of myself for finally doing this. I think the results look so much better. Here is an update on this top drawer. It's like chaotically organized. I want to get some more organizers later on, but I feel like this is good for now. This drawer is also kind of like chaotically organized, so I'm not gonna do anything with this for now. This is my hair drawer, which is also another chaotically organized mess, but there's like ridges you can see at the bottom of the drawer, so it kind of like moves things from rattling around, or stops things, I guess. But we just have some stuff, leave-in conditioner, smoothing stuff. This is all right here, texture spray or volume spray. We got some wave spray, this little powder play stuff from Big Sexy Hair, mini hairsprays, a big hairspray, some smoother, and then this is like my hair bag whenever I travel, and then I have an extra brush here, and yeah, that is everything. Then down here, this is just where I keep my makeup bag. That's literally all that's in here, and then another little bag, and then like some dividers for the makeup bag. Alright guys, that was everything for this video. Bunny is passed out behind me, so it's time to end off the video and go lay with her. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this is a little bit chaotic, but I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!